Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. Okay, today we want to discuss your mathematics module, page 1. Okay, your mathematics module, page 1. Okay, hopefully you have completed this homework. Then only you watch the video. Alright, if you haven't finished it, please complete it and then come back to check your answers. Okay, let's look at question 1. The diagram shows the collection of several shapes. So we have star shape, and then we have circle, and then we have square, and we have triangle. Okay, question. What is the ratio of the number of triangle to the number of stars? Okay, apakah nisbah? Triangle on the left, 2 is the colon here, stars is on the right. So triangle, you have to count how many triangle. Okay, let's count the triangle. 1. There's only one triangle. So 1 for triangle. Then you have to count the number of stars. Okay, we have 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, 6 stars. So altogether there are 6 stars. So 1 triangle and 6 stars. So this is how you do it. You look at the position. So triangle on your left side you write triangle, the number of triangle. The stars is on the right, so right side you write the number of stars. So the answer is 1 to 6. Okay, the ratio is 1 to 6. Number 2, state the digit value of the digit 6 in the number 0.36. Now this is a decimal. Okay, this is a decimal. So the first 0 is the round number, nombor bulat. The first number after the decimal is the 10. And the second number will be the 100 with a TH behind. So this is per 100. So what is the digit value of 6? Now digit value, you have to write the numbers. Okay, remember digit means numbers. So 0.06. Okay, can you see the number is 6? So 0.06. So the answer is donkey. Boy. 0.06. Number 3, the diagram 2 shows the position of several points on the Cartesian plane. State the point located at coordinates 4, 1. Now when it comes to coordinates, the number on your left is the x-axis and the number on your right is the y-axis. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So the first number is 4. 4 is over here, and then the second number is 1. 1 is over here. So this is 4, 1. So the point is P. Okay, so the answer is P. 4, 1. 4 is the x-axis, 1 is the y-axis. Okay, number 4. Which of the following unit conversion is correct? Per penukaran unit. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Now 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So 2.64 kg, you need to times 1000 gram. So 3 zeros, you move 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, add a 0. So it should be 2640 gram. So A is wrong. B, 1 km is 1000 meters. So 15.5 km. If you times 1000 meters, you move 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You need to add 2 zeros behind. So it should be 15,500 meters. So B is also wrong. C, a liter is 1000 ml. Okay, let me clean some space here. Okay, a liter is 1000 ml. Now C is 7.25 liter. So you times 1000. Again, you move 3 times to the right. 1, 2, and 3. Add a 0. So it should be 7,250 ml, which is correct. Okay, so your answer is C. Okay, let's look at D also. Now 400 years is 4 decades. 1 decade or 1 dekad ialah 1 dekad. 1 dekad is 10 tahun. So 4 decades equals to 40 years. So D is also wrong. Okay, number 5. Which of the following clock face shows 45 minutes before 6:15? 45 minutes before 6:15. So you have to do the calculation. Hours and minutes, 6:15. So you have to minus 45, okay, because the time is earlier, before. So you minus. Now 15 cannot minus 45, not enough, so you have to borrow from hour. You borrow 1 hour, this one minus 1. Now you borrow 1 hour, you get 60 minutes, because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 15 plus 60 is 75. Okay, and then you minus. So your answer is 5:30. Okay, so 5:30 is 45 minutes before 6:15. Okay, so which one is 5:30? D is the answer. 5:30. Number 6. Which of the following becomes 177,000 when rounded off to the nearest thousand? Okay, ribu yang terdekat. So when you see the word ribu, thousand, what I do is I divide it by 2. 1000 divided by 2, I get 500. Now this 500 tells me 2 things. The first is the middle number is 500. Okay, so below 500, we do nothing. Above 500, we have to plus 1. And 500 also tells me that there are 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits. So we look at the 3 digits behind. Okay, let's look at A first. Now look at the 3 digits, 1, 4, 2. Is it less or more than 500? It's less, alright? So less than 500, you do nothing. So you just copy 186 and then the last 3 numbers you change to zeros. So A is wrong. Let's look at B. 693 is more than 500, so we have to plus 1. Now where do we plus 1? 186 plus 1 becomes 187. And then the last 3 digits also change to 0. This is also not the answer. We are looking for 177,000. Okay, let's look at C. 345 is less than 500, so you don't plus 1, you just copy 177. And then the 345 becomes zeros. So this is the answer. Can you see that it becomes 177,000? Okay, let's do D also. This is more than 500, so we plus 1, so 175 becomes 176. Okay. Number 7, change this to percentage. So first thing I do is I change to improper fraction. So how do you do that? 5 times 2 plus 4. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 4 is 14. The bottom just copy. To change the percentage, you times 100%. Okay, nak tukar ke peratus, darab 100%. And then you simplify it, divide 5, divide 5. So 14 times 20 is 280. Number 8, 10 km, 806 meters. So 1 km equals 1000 meters. So 10 km is 10,000 meters. And then you have to plus 806 meters. So your answer is 10,806 meters. Okay. Number 9, you have to times first, then only you plus. Okay, you have to follow the sequence. Times first, then only you plus. So after I times, I get 16,058. Then only I plus 24,691. So we get 40,749. Okay. So we are done with page 1. So for today's homework, you continue page 2. Okay, module page 2. Kerja rumah hari ini, sila buat modul muka surat 2. And also remember the homework I gave you on Tuesday, right? You have to do the exercises in the textbook also. Okay, the one on discount and invoice and bill. Okay, so you have 2 homework. The one in the textbook was Tuesday's homework, and today's homework is module page 2. Alright, so when I see you in the next lesson, I'll discuss both homework. Okay, so please do your work. That's all for today. Bye-bye.